Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw some nice bamboo poles. So let's see how the drawing goes. First, we're going to draw a few lines like the heart strokes. You can see it's like the L. So draw so many L's like this. If you think that you are going to put three poles, so you are going to put three L shaped patterns like this one. From top to the bottom, put another L-shaped patterns like this. So you can follow the instructions. The drawing is going to be very nice. See, you can see the L shape here. Yeah. Alright, this is going to be the second pole, and another L is coming up from here. Alright, so the drawing is in progress. Please do not skip any points. Watch the whole video and follow the instructions. In this case, when you draw something, you have to be patient and do all the shading works and the drawing details with a long patience. Then the drawing is going to be very nice. Alright, you can see here few details at the bottom and another details here you can see. Alright, we can put some segments like this. Okay, so the L pattern is complete. Now we're going to put the light green color like this. So this is going to be the all over the body, and you can see the variations of the shades. Put the light green color for the all over the body and see the variations. Okay, getting a nice bamboo pole. You can put the border on the other side with a little dark green pencil to show the usual shapes of the bamboo pole. Alright, let's draw a few racks like this. Okay, we can use the usually black pencil for the racks, as you can see I am doing right now. Alright, so it's getting nice. Let's draw another border on the other side to complete the drawing. You can see green leaves. It's like the longer leaves, as you can see from the drawing. Bamboo leaves. Usually the leaves are the pointed one, so little longer and the pointed. See, these are the pointed leaves and the longer. the light green color at the bottom, this can be a nice one. You are seeing the details, the few extensions at each of the block you can see here. Okay, it's all about the details. As you know how do you going to draw it. For the ground, let's use the crayon colors to show the drawing. So guys, I hope you like the video. This is going to be a very nice drawing. You can do practice at home again and again and make your drawings better than this one. So there's no limitations for good drawings. The more you practice, the better the drawing is going to be. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.